Hello, good folks of Mazatlan. I'm going to show you how you create an appointment for getting a PCR test with Salud Digna. This is their main page, and you go to the right side here where it says PCR. Click on there, and it will take you to an explanation of what the different tests test for. This is the PCR. They also do the one for the United States, which is the antigen test. You have to fill all of this in. So we go to Sinaloa, Mazatlan, and wait a second, and it tells you the date that you can go and get one. So I'm going to put Monday because I'm going to cancel this afterwards. Hopefully I can. And then select the time of your appointment. Looks like a lot of it is open already. This is the only clinic that has it, which is on Ejército Mexicano, which is near, if anybody knows where the Ley Vieja is, the Ley store, it's not far from there. All the Ubers know where that is. Okay, and you can also contact them via WhatsApp. You just have to make sure you add in a +52 before you put all these numbers in. Okay, so name, everybody knows my name. Oops. There we go, and we don't have a mother's last name. If it won't let you go past this section here, just repeat your last name there. Okay, birthday is always backwards, day, month, year. My birthday is, I'm an old gal, so there we go. I'm female, and I am single. That's what soltera means. This means married. This means common law. And select the state that you're in. Municipal. The above part here about this was which location you were going to get your test, okay? Here it's more about your address. And my postal code, Colonia, I'm in Centro. I'm on this street. Okay, and my WhatsApp number. Oh, I don't have to put 52. It's understood that it's 52. So 669. All right, and you have to put it again. If you don't have a WhatsApp number, just don't fill this in. So in other words, you could have a WhatsApp number that is from the US, but if you've never set up WhatsApp, don't bother at this stage, okay? It would be too complicated for you, I think. Email is optional. If you don't have a WhatsApp, I would suggest you put your email here. I do have a WhatsApp, so. And this says that I'm of sound mind, blah, 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 while I'm doing this. I accept that they're going to take my information and going to share the results with the federal health agencies of the states, and in order to control the virus, etc., etc. And I accept that you will prepare the studies of the test. And anyways, you guys can copy and paste this into the Google Translate. It's just fairly standard disclosures, okay? Next page, continuar. And Seguro Social, I don't have that. That is for the different insurances. And I just put no tango aquí. I mean here, sorry, I speak Spanglish often. And then we'll just put here other. This is just what kind of work you do. Just put other. And have you been outside the country in the last 2 weeks? So if you'd only been here for a holiday for 1 week, you'd have to say yes and then explain that, or in my case, no. Most people stay here more than a week, so most of the answers will be no. Say continue. In the last 2 weeks, have you interacted with anybody with confirmed COVID? My case, no. In the last week, have you presented any COVID symptoms? No. Is the presented? No. Why do you want the test? I want it to go on the airplane. So viaje, for a trip. Okay, you can have it for surgery, for work, for medical indications, and just for personal knowledge. Padeces de alguien. Do you have an infirmity right now? Do you have any sickness right now? No. Do you smoke daily? In my case, no. Are you pregnant? Definitely our community mostly isn't. Is this the first time you have asked for a COVID-19 test? And I would say most people will be saying yes. I'm just going to say, actually it was no, because I've done one before. I don't know the date. I'm going to say yes, just to make it simple. When did you get vaccinated against COVID? Are you vaccinated against COVID-19? Yes, I have the first. Oh gosh, then you have to have your dates here, and then second dose, your dates there, and which one? Okay, so you fill that all in. Geez, I guess I gotta fill that in. Okay, I'm going to stop for a moment and fill that and get my dates on my vaccines. All right, I'll be right back. Oop. And 2nd of June. There we go. AstraZeneca. All right, so continue. April 6th. So they do dates backwards, so keep that in mind. So day, month, year. Day, month, year. Okay? Continue. All right, so you need to pay. Oh, I don't have to pay yet. I guess you need to pay. Or I can pay an OXXO. Okay, so these are your different ways of paying. Obviously, you can continue online and give credit cards and everything. You can pay by Copel Pay. You can go to OXXO. So if you don't have a credit card or you need to pay in cash, you can go to OXXO and pay. You just have to take a reference number, which they give you. Or you can pay in the clinic. So I'm going to put pay in the clinic for this one, just for demonstration purposes. And then it says here, present yourself 10 minutes before your test. All right, so finalize this, and then they're registering me here. And it says your registration has been done with success. Now, I have WhatsApp on my computer, so I'm going to show you the confirmation that I received. It's also here. So if you're doing it on your laptop, you have this. This is called a QR code. This is your reference number, okay? So on your WhatsApp, assuming that you got a WhatsApp, so here is my WhatsApp opened up. And as you can see, I've received a confirmation of my appointment for December the 20th at 10:05 a.m. with the address here. There is a link that can take you to their website, which also includes the map on how to get there. And here is a shortcut to the necessary preparations before you go. Basically, there's not a lot to prepare for other than the obvious. Don't be drinking alcohol or taking any drugs before you get there for your test. And just some advertising here. Now, if you wanted to cancel the appointment, you would just enter the number 2 here, okay, and press enter, and that would then require a couple more questions, and you can cancel your appointment that way. All right, so it's pretty straightforward. The best way to receive your appointment information is with WhatsApp. It's the most used app in Mexico, actually in Latin America, and apparently in Europe as well. So that's a good thing. So it'd be handy to, if you don't have that, to install it. Otherwise, you would likely receive a confirmation via email if you don't provide a WhatsApp phone number. All right, thanks for now. If you have any questions, pop them down in the comments below, and I'll see if I can help you. But it's very straightforward that way. All right, so take care, everybody, and good luck, and stay safe. Stay away from that nasty Omicron or whatever it's called now. It's got a cool name, but not a cool virus. All right, stay safe, everybody. Bye for now.